Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore the world of beauty with a keen eye for quality and performance. Today, we're talking about a blowout kit that promises to deliver a salon-worthy look right at home. The Drybar You Had Me at Blowout Kit. But does it really hold up to the hype? Let's break it down, step by step. First up, let's get into what makes this kit so special. The Drybar You Had Me at Blowout Kit is designed to refresh, prime, style, texturize, and finish your look, leaving your hair with great volume and hold for up to 8 hours. It's a complete solution to achieving a fabulous blowout, whether you've got straight or wavy hair. The kit includes several essentials that promise to give your hair that perfect, bouncy, voluminous look. Plus, it comes with a refreshing citrus scent, making the whole experience a little more indulgent. When I first opened the kit, I was impressed by the variety of products. It includes a prime and prep spray, a texturizer, and a finishing spray, all in convenient, travel-friendly sizes. I found it really easy to incorporate into my routine, especially on days when I was pressed for time but still wanted that blown-out look. The aerosol sprays made for smooth, even application, and the texture was lightweight, no greasy feeling left behind, which is key for me. As for performance, I used the products during a typical styling session, and I was pleasantly surprised by the results. The volume boost was immediate, and my hair held its style throughout the day. I even tested it in a humid environment, which usually flattens my hair, but the hold remained strong without feeling stiff. The freshness of the citrus scent lingered just enough to make my hair smell clean and refreshed without being overpowering. On the flip side, I did notice that the texturizer could get a little too tacky if over-applied, so I'd recommend using it sparingly, especially if your hair tends to get dry. Now let's talk pros and cons. The main strength of this kit is its convenience. Everything you need to achieve a full-bodied blowout is in one place. The volume it creates is impressive, and the citrus scent is refreshing but subtle. On the downside, the price point might be a consideration for some. While the performance is solid, there are certainly more affordable alternatives out there. Additionally, if you have very thick or coarse hair, you may find yourself needing to apply a bit more product to achieve the desired results. Is this kit worth the price? In my opinion, yes, but with a caveat. If you're someone who regularly blow dries their hair and values salon-quality results, then the convenience and performance make it a good investment. However, if you're not a frequent user of blowout tools, you may want to explore more budget-friendly options that can give similar results. For those of you who are already familiar with Drybar, you know that they've earned a reputation for high-quality hair care products. The You Had Me at Blowout Kit certainly holds up to that reputation, but I can't ignore that there are alternatives out there, like the T3 Lucia 360 or Amika's The Wizard styling products that offer a similar styling effect at a lower price point. So it's all about whether you want to invest in a high-end brand or save a little money while still achieving a decent blowout. In terms of build quality, the packaging is sleek and sturdy, as we've come to expect from Drybar. The size of the products in this kit is also great for travel or keeping in your gym bag for those quick touch-ups. Now, onto customer support. I've never personally had to deal with Drybar's customer service, but they are known for being responsive and helpful based on the brand's reputation. As for updates, there hasn't been any significant reformulation or packaging change to this kit since its release, so the product you're getting now is pretty much the same as when it first hit the shelves. If you're thinking about alternatives, you could look into brands like OI, Living Proof, or Bumble & Bumble, which also offer fantastic products for creating volume and texture. They might even be priced a bit more affordably, depending on your budget. Wrapping it all up, I'd say the Drybar You Had Me at Blowout Kit is a solid choice for those who want a premium, high-performance blowout kit that delivers volume, texture, and a fresh scent. It works well across a variety of hair types, but if you have thicker hair or need something more heavy-duty, you might want to test it out first. Overall, it's a great product for the blowout enthusiast who's ready to invest in a quality kit. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to keep up with all our honest beauty reviews. Your support helps us continue to bring you the best in beauty. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. Also, if you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know how it worked for you.